गाइस, हैप्पी मंडे। बहुत ही अच्छा दिन है आज, क्योंकि कल इससे भी अच्छा दिन है। कल है सहराज का 5th बर्थडे एंड वी आर सो एक्साइटेड। एक्साइटमेंट में बर्थडे भी गलत बोल दिया। 6th बर्थडे, मुझे रियलाइज ही नहीं हो रहा है कि ओ माय गॉड वो इतनी जल्दी बड़ा हो गया है। टाइम एक्चुअली फ्लाइज, बट दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ टाइम, इजंट इट? साइलम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम सहराज की फर्स्ट वर्चुअल पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग के लिए बैठे हैं एंड बहुत ही सही फीलिंग आ रही है मुझे तो। ग्रोन अप पेरेंट्स। पैक सहराज टिफिन बैग में डाल दिया है टिफिन। टाटा। एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्कूल एंड बिफोर स्कूल वेयर आर वी गोइंग?
To my birthday cake station.
Yes.
So I go the rest of the video.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go the rest.
The cake selection left Siraj for his school.
Yeah, whichever you want.
I like
Maybe let's take both. मैं बैठी हूँ अपने फेवरेट स्पॉट पे इन ब्यूटीफुल पौधों के पीछे। ये स्पॉट मुझे इतना सीनिक सा लगता है कि दिस इज लाइक माई फेवरेट स्पॉट टू सिट एंड मेक द वीडियोज एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ माई वीडियोज द सिट एंड टॉक वाली आर हियर एंड आई लव सिटिंग नीचे। सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, सहराज इज टर्निंग 6. आई थॉट मैं बैठ के आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी 5 things that I have learned, or maybe 6 things that I have learned in the last 5 years. 6 years, oh my god, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है लास्ट ईयर कुछ उड़ गया है या कुछ हुआ है। So let's start. The first point obviously being that patience. Patience is the key, guys. Motherhood has taught me patience in another way, जो मैंने पूरी जिंदगी में नहीं सीख पाई थी शायद, है ना? Like I feel itni like because obviously they're kids, they learn at their own pace. So patience is the key and इस चीज़ को मैं अभी भी सीख रही हूँ एंड आई फील जितनी मैं पेशेंट रहती हूँ, जितनी मैं माइंडफुल रहती हूँ व्हेन आई एम डूइंग थिंग्स विद सहराज, इट जस्ट मेक्स मी अ मोर अवेयर मदर एंड आई लव दैट. सो नंबर 1 थिंग, पेशेंस. एंड आज हम कॉफी नहीं पी रहे हैं गाइस, आज हम पी रहे हैं ठंडा ठंडा पानी with lemon but no sugar in this cup. अच्छा लगता है मुझे कप में पानी पीना, so that's that. So guys, the second thing is कि you know when as a mother love is everything. जितना हम अपने बच्चों से प्यार करते हैं, I don't think we were even aware कि इतना प्यार exist करता है before we had them. But on that note, energy is not. Like what I mean by this is कि you cannot pour from an empty mug. So love तो जितना हम उनको देते हैं, that is just beyond anything and everything, and we want to give everything in terms of energy as well when it comes to our mental energy, physical energy, emotional energy. But what I've learned over the years is that I wanted to do everything for Sairaj. That's just not happy. You can't pour from an empty mug. You need to prioritize yourself. And when you do that, you're obviously able to give better to your kids, your children. So it's very, very easy to fall in this habit of doing like 120 or maybe like a 200% for your kids and neglecting yourself. As a mother, I feel we very easily fall into this spiral. But it's so important to prioritize self-care and understand that it is a necessity. Point number 3 for us is that plans are great, but flexibility is the savior. Like having kids, I feel बहुत जल्दी ये realize हो जाता है कि जो हम plan करते हैं कि morning routine would be like this, nap time would be like this, it doesn't really go that way. And we understand that how important flexibility is. So always taking that extra time in hand, it's great. Knowing to pick up your own battles कि अगर घर नहीं साफ, it's okay. You're not getting the right pair of socks, it's okay. You don't need to, you know, have a meltdown for that. And just following with the flow is something that motherhood has taught me. So point number 4 is that you know, your child is your biggest teacher. जो कुछ मैंने सहराज से सीखा in the last 6 years, I don't think, you know, I've learned from anybody, because I am a different individual than what I was before having Sairaj, and it is for good. I've learned patience एक अलग ही level की. The kind of love that I can give now, it's completely different. And then obviously we learn resilience from them, and just such cute little things. Like I had this habit कि अगर मैं कुछ उठा रही हूँ from a store and I don't want to take it, finally I'll just keep it anywhere. But Sairaj is like, no mama, you have to go keep it back. And now वो मेरे साथ हो या ना हो, I always go and keep it back. So you know, you just cannot simply count the wonderful things that they teach you, and that's amazing. It's just so cute to see एक छोटा सा बच्चा आपको कितना कुछ सिखा सकता है about how beautiful life is. So point number 5 is that you are stronger than what you even thought was possible. Motherhood pushes you in ways you cannot even imagine, whether it's physically, mentally, emotionally. You are always available for your child, and that's how beautiful it is. You know, you take a stand for your child. Even at times you didn't take stand for yourself, but when it comes to your child, you take stand, you set those boundaries. You sacrifice without hesitation. You don't even think that you're going to sacrifice, or you always want to do for your child. And the best thing is that you don't even doubt yourself, because you want to give your child the best. So your self-doubt goes, which I really enjoy in this phase of motherhood. And the last point, and the most important point, is that when you become a mother, time flies. So you just have to soak it all. At one point, you're just complaining about, you know, the night tantrums and sleepless nights, or ye, wo, blah, blah. And in a blink of eye, your baby is not a toddler, is a full-grown child, a full-grown boy. And it is just so fulfilling. Motherhood इतना fulfilling था, ये मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. So grateful that Sairaj chose me as his mother, because this experience is beyond words. I think it's beyond any mother's words, because इतना beautiful है ये experience. एक छोटे से human being को आप इस दुनिया में लेके आते हो, and then your whole life revolves around that child, and then that child just grows. It's just so important to soak it all in, take all the memories, not to bother about anything, ganda ghar, tute toys, laundry, everything and anything, because all of these things will get sorted and your child is going to be a full-grown adult one day. I'm so grateful that I got to share all of this with you. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you so much guys for watching, subscribing. I am beyond grateful to all of you. Thank you.